Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to calculate difference between date in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So guys, if you want to calculate completed year, so write here formula is equal and dated if and use a bracket and then select the starting date and then use a comma and then select the end date and then again use a comma and then write here inverted comma and write here y and then again write inverted comma and then close the bracket and then press enter button. So you can see the completed year is calculated. So if you want to calculate completed year of other date, so just click on the cell where you created the formula and then click on the bottom right side of the cells and then you can see plus options, so drag to the lower end. So you can see all completed years are calculated. So if you want to calculate completed month, so again write here formula is equal dated if and then bracket and then select first date comma and last date, again write a comma and then again write a inverted comma and then write here M because we want to calculate month now, so that's why we are writing M, then inverted comma, again close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see completed month between starting date and ending date of this is calculated. So if you want to calculate completed month of other date, so just click on the cells where you created the formula and then place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells and you can see plus options and then drag to the end. So you can see all completed month are calculated. So if you want to calculate completed day, so again write here formula dated if and bracket and write a starting date and comma and select the ending date and again write a comma and then inverted comma and now we will write D because we want to calculate number of day. So after that again write a inverted comma and then close bracket and press enter button. So you can see all completed day between these dates are calculated. So if you want to calculate the completed day of other days, so just click on the cell where you created the formula and then place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells. You can see plus options and then drag to the lower end. So you can see all completed day are calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate date difference in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.